Hey, what's up guys? I'm Jagath and welcome back to my channel. So recently I have completed 5000 kilometers on my Apache RR310. So this is the 5000 kilometers review of this bike. So in this video I'll be sharing with you all the design, build quality, maintenance cost, problems which I faced and the mileage of this bike. Let's get started. Starting off with the design. Design is stunning with impressive LED headlights, LED taillights and LED turn indicators. So the graphics on this bike also suits it perfectly. This is a massive bike. Seating position is not too bent forward, not too straight, it is balanced. Then if you see, we have the instrument cluster which has got lots of infos. I've also made a separate video explaining about the features in the instrument cluster. If y'all have not watched it, y'all have the cards over here, or I'll also drop a link in the description below. Please do check it out. Moving on to next is the build quality. So the bike weighs around 180 kgs. Most of the weight is on the front side. If you see, the bike has got lots of plastic in it. Kill switch, turn indicator, self-start button, all feel premium and nice. Remember the side mirrors are very sensitive. Even a slight hit will get it broken and you'll have to replace it. When you sit on the bike, the first thing you'll notice is the weight and you'll feel very comfortable and confident. Moving on to next is the problem. So I faced problems with chain noise, engine turn off, vibrations, front fork oil leaking on the right side. So let's see them one by one. Starting off with the chain roller. So if you see, I was getting weird noise from the chain. So with the updated chain roller, the problem has been solved. Moving on to next is the vibrations. The updated parts like handlebar dampers and visor cushion, the vibration may have been slightly reduced, but still the vibration is there in the bike. Moving on to next is the engine turn off. So if you all see, while driving the bike, suddenly the bike turns off. And with ECU update, this has been reduced. Next is the front fork oil leaking. Recently, just before making this video, I found front fork oil leaking on the right side. So I took it to the service center and got it replaced under warranty. But Dira TVS Chennai has charged me ₹600. Moving on to next is the mileage. Another great thing about this bike is the mileage. So for a full tank, it shows a total range of about nearly 250 to 300 kilometers. So let us see some of the photos. Remember, we may also get more or less than this based on our riding conditions. We get a mileage of about 25 km per liter to 30 km per liter. At times we also get more than that. Moving on to next one is the maintenance. So these three are the photos of my first three service bills. This one is second service bill. And this one is third service bill. Fourth one which we are seeing right now is the front fork oil leak, which they replaced under warranty, but they charged me ₹600 for the oil which I mentioned before. So the total cost is ₹4,945. So mine is a matte black variant. So each time while I'm taking the bike, I have to dust it regularly. So I have also made other videos like safety features of RR310 and so on. So I'll drop a link to those videos in the description below. If you all have not watched it, you all can check it out. So that's it from this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.